Guys, how you doing today? So today on this week's video we're talking about 10 Canva tips and tricks you can use to create better content. It's like a tutorial for beginners, so if you're not that versatile using Canva, this is going to be for you. And before we get started, um it's in the time lapse. I don't know how to put it, but like the timestamps are below, so I won't waste your time if you know some already. Thank you. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is for entrepreneurs, content creators and business owners. We talk about branding, marketing, mindset and all those good stuff. So if you think I'm going to be interested in that, subscribe to this channel. And before we get started, leave a like. So let's go.
Okay, now, so the first one is animating your post on Canva. So whatever you want to do on Canva, just tap this, then you can now choose pan, then this is how it will be. I mean, this is how pan looks like, this is how block looks like. None of them breathe, drift, stump, tectonic, baseline. Some of them are pro, some of them are paid. So yeah, you just choose the one that you want to use, and that's it. The next one now is getting a gradient background on your Canva profile. And so now you want to get a background for your Canva, but first thing you do is go to background, you go to gradient over here and just tap any of this one. So let's use this, and you can see that, and now you can change the color to what you want. Yeah, but this pink will still remain here. You can try changing it, yeah, this, that, anyone, and that's it. Another way to get gradient background on your Canva is you go to elements, you go to gradients, then you can look for the square one or this type, anyone that you want to use. Tap on it, enlarge it, you take it to the back, so it's like a background already. Then now you can edit the two of them. You can turn this on blue, you can turn this purple to brown, or you can turn it to red. I don't know, any color you want to use, but you can see this is so amazing. Wow, I like it already. And that's it. You can use it as a gradient background on Canva. To crop text in Canva, what you have to do is, let's do this. You just press T on your keyboard, a text comes out, then you can now edit it. You can use this. Yeah, never mind. Let's use this. Now you go to effects. Now you see curve. Now you can see it. But now you can increase and reduce the intensity of the curve. Make it like this. You can make it like this. You get it. And that's it. To create a video in Canva, you go to video, choose the title you want. Let's go to pizza now. Let's try pizza now. This one is just 11 seconds. Yes, you enlarge it. It's just your choice, like enlarging it. That's me. Yeah, you cannot enlarge it, finish. Then from there, create, put the text. Pizza. This one is too small, but I'm coming. Yeah. You cannot bring it up here. Pizza. Then look at this link. Then you cannot put maybe your social media handle in case someone wants to find you, like, who created this amazing pizza commercial? I don't know. That's my handle. I'll put it here at ay.creator. That's it. So now if you want to add audio to it, so I use this one. Okay. let's take it to the pizza part here. You see, yeah, it's amazing. And all that with Canva. Wow, isn't that nice? And yeah, you can also trim your pizza commercial in Canva to as little as 1 second, and that's the highest 30 seconds because the clip is also 30 seconds. You can also animate it too. Yeah, and try new animation. And that's it. I know some people create logos or some do create logos using Canva or images. So let's see if I can make something right now and it will make a mock-up because yeah, mock-up you can also create mock-up using Canva. So let's just see. You search else I don't know, playing game, playing, I spelled it wrongly. Okay, now you put it here. So now you go to effects, smart mockups, press C all. Oh man, network is kinda slow. Now you can choose out of all these mockups, smartphone, computers, and all. But I feel like since this image is a pretty wide image, let's just choose laptop. Now you'll see this really, and you can see that amazing, right? Now you can also edit it. You get that? So let's assume you write a text which is let's say pool party and you change background. That's your choice though. I don't know, I think I'll let just change background. Let's use this. I like that. So now you can just go to effects because you can also add drop shadow to the text in Canva. I'm go to effects and type shadow. Now it could be offset, it could be like this. This depends on you. This is so nice too. Direction, any direction you want. The blur, now you can put the blur so it looks like a shadow, like a real shadow. Increase it, change the color. It may not be white, you can want black, you can want blue, which doesn't make sense, but black is one that makes sense most times. Then you now check it out and look at it. Isn't it nice? Wow, Canva did this. Dope, man. Dope. Canva can also be used for photo editing. So now let's go look for a photo. Let's look for a baby boy. I don't know, I choose that, but I don't know, it just came to my mind. So that we're gonna use baby boy. Oh, see this baby. I love him already. Give me the baby. So cute. Okay, now wait. Yeah, you go to effects. You just Duotone here. You can also there are also different edit styles you could use, but we're talking about Duotone today, and this Duotone. Yeah, look at this color now. Not bad, right? But let's look at this. You can change the highlights and the shadows. This okay, I chose the wrong one. This is supposed to be white and this is supposed to be black. And see, wow, are you kidding me? Canva freaking did this. Oh my god, they deserve an Emmy. I just put okay, it's already centered already. Wow, wow, wow. This is dope. You know that. Yeah, you know that. And that's it. Black and white image using Duotone in Canva. Now we go to the next one. Now you can see these are three different squares. Now if you want to select this other one, and sometimes I can do like this, but I can't. If I want to select this one, I can't say select this other one at the back without some. You can see now it's very easy, a bit hard. I can't. It's glitching. So now what you can do, if you want to select the one behind the layer in Canva, it could be square, any shape at all, or any element, just press Ctrl and left click and left mouse key. That way you can select it and you can now move it up about. No, think about what I was trying to say. Control left click, then you can move it. I'm using my keyboard to move it. Yeah, and you can change the color too again after that. Let's see. Sorry. Nice, right? Okay, so go to the next one. Okay, now you know what, we can remove background in Canva. That's using Canva Pro. Whichever software you use to move background. Okay, now we want to add a shadow to this image of the boy. So I use Canva Pro to remove the background of this image. And now let's go to tap it, effects. Now to add the background to an image in Canva, I will to add a shadow to an image in Canva. You go to shadows, then you can choose out of all these ones. But here you choose blue. Then now you look at the baby. Let's hit it. You can see it now. Now you can increase the blur. Transparency can be reduced or increased based on how much you want it to be. You can reduce the size too, and that's it. You apply it. Now, can you see this? Can you see that what is written here? You can't. Now, I'm going to have to zoom in and zoom out in Canva. But now look at this, you can't see it. But now, using the Canva software, let's see. This is it. You can't see it. But using the Canva software, using this will help you zoom in and zoom out in Canva. And if you don't want to use that, you just come here, this 20% here, and you go to fit. And you can see it well. If you want to see better, 100%, you can see it. If you want to see really better, 300%, you can see it. All the way, that's it. Yeah. And if you want to use your keyboard to zoom in and zoom out, just do Control minus or Control plus. You can see that, or minus. It's that one that works for you. And that's how to zoom in and zoom out in Canva. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. I hope you learned something.
Oh, and that's it for this week's video. I hope you really enjoyed that, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. It's gonna really help me a lot. And yeah, comment the one if you learned something new today. Comment it below, let me know what you learned today. And for next week's video, if you have any idea at all, comment below. I would like to help you out and create whatever your question might be. Just something new, just something new I want to bring out. If you want to get shout outs on this YouTube channel, just comment watching my YouTube video or comment on any of my Instagram posts and screenshot it and put it on your Instagram story and tag me at AY Creator or at Absalom Posty. Either one that you tag me at, I'm gonna give you a shout out. Thank you. And by the way, if you are literally watching this video and you reach this part of the video, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe. So watch any of these two videos over here and subscribe. Yeah, I love you.
Do it!